Hi, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today, I would like to show you how you can add a Download My App custom page to either your KW agent or team site. The new module is available, and so I'm just going to show you how easy this is. Let's go ahead and click into our command account. On the left-hand side, click Websites. Choose Edit Agent Site and click Expert Mode in the top right-hand corner. Now that you're in the website editor, just make sure that this site listed right here is the one you want to add this page to. If it's not, you can come right here to an active link. It would either be your name, possibly a team name, but go ahead and give that a click and choose the site out of this drop-down list of which one you want to add the page to. Once you've done that, again, you should see the site that you want to add the page to listed right here. Once that's done, click the custom page link underneath your quick start bar. Go ahead and name the page. From here, you can also add an image to this gray area back here if you would like to customize it further. And you do have the option to hide that title as well if you do not want this to show on the page. Just below that, you can add the module. Click Add Module, choose Additional Modules, and choose Download My App module. You'll see it update in real time on the right-hand side. I do want to point out that it will say scan the QR code to download my app and have an arrow pointing, but it may not show that QR code until you click publish to publish the page. In our case, since this is a demo account, the QR code will not populate because we do not hold the role of agent. But on your end, you should see the QR code populate after you click publish. One more thing, just for good measure, always a good idea to add the Contact Me form at the bottom of each page that you create for your site. That way you know you have the opportunity to capture a lead. So we'll go ahead and click Add Module, add additional modules right here, and choose Form. From the blank line within this module, we can choose the default. It may say Contact Me form here or Default Agent Contact. And once we scroll down on the right-hand side, you can see that now the Contact Me form is listed below the Download My App module. Now that we've built our page, we can click Publish. And again, you should now see the QR code populated on your page. Since ours is a demo, it is not, but you should see it on yours. And now we can come to the URLs tab right here and click on our URL slug, and it should open this page in a new tab where you can now view your brand new page. If you have any questions at all about what we just demonstrated for you or anything else concerning your KW platforms, you can always reach out to us via email at support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.